your girl Kristen. Finna take the cinnamon challenge, so here I go.
Wish me luck.
Yeah, wish me luck. It ain't coming out. Man, this is gonna be nasty. Can I stop?
Yeah, I think so. I think that's good.
Kristen.
Shh. Man, go give me some water. Can you give me some water?
Yeah.
Give me some water, cuz.
You got. Come on. You can't drink it with water. That's just in case.
I got back up.
All right, go. Well, Kristen just did the challenge. Got any words to say about the cinnamon challenge?
That's all I got to say.
All right.